So we need to remember the first rule for solving for x in a radical equation, and that is to simplify the expression. And what that means is to find any like terms on the same side of the equal sign. So I see that I have 3 radical x plus 3's, and I have 4 radical x plus 3's here. So those are kind of combined to give me a total of 7 radical x plus 3's equal to 28. And the second step of solving for this would be to isolate the radical or get the radical by itself. So I see the radical of x plus 3 is being multiplied right here by this 7. So I'm going to do the opposite of that, and I'm going to divide by 7. And what I do to one side, I have to do to the other side. So my 7's cancel over here, and on the left-hand side, I'm left with radical x plus 3. And on the right-hand side, I need to divide 28 by 7, and that goes into there 4 times. And my next step is step 3, to square both sides. So I'm just going to square this side and square this side. And remember, any radical times itself just makes the radical come out of the radical sign. So that radical x plus 3 is going to turn into just a normal x plus 3. And on the right-hand side, I have 4 squared, which is 16. And then step 4 is to solve the equation just like I have always learned to do. So I'm going to get x by itself by subtracting 3 to both sides, and x is going to equal 13. And then I'm going to want to plug that in to my original equation just to make sure that that is a good solution.